Alright, welcome everyone to another video. In this video, I'm just going to tell you how you can check some of the host devices and the drivers if they are running up and properly. I'm not going to go to the traditional way of device manager, but a different way of using that. We have something called pnputil. So I'm going to give you three commands. One is for media, one is for mouse, and one is for keyboard. Media is basically for your audio related stuff, webcams. Mouse is basically a mouse, and keyboard is for keyboard related drivers, right? So let's check it for media. So we can see most of the instances are working properly. The status will show us they're connected, started. We specifically looking for the ones which is showing the status as disconnected, right? So here I don't find any issue. This is a generic one. We should ignore that. Let's check for the mouse quickly. And yeah, make sure you run the command prompt as administrator. Okay, let's use the mouse one. So I can see both drivers are started. No problem with that. Let's check for the keyboard. Oops. Sometimes we got some problems. Okay, keyboard. Started. Yeah, everything looks good. So I think I don't have to worry about any ghosting drivers or anything. In case you find similar thing, then you are good. If you find something which is showing the status as disconnected, what you need to do, you have to run this command. I'll be giving all these commands in the description. You just have to change this thing with your instance ID, right? So like if I copy this, you have to put this under these inverted commas, use this, copy and paste, and boom. That entry will get removed from here afterwards. All right. Just give it a try and it will help you with some hassles related to your audio stuff and some kind of lagginess in your mouse or keyboard if you get sometimes, right? All right, cheers, bye bye. Make sure you hit the like, guys, and subscribe to my channel.